Thanks, guys. I'm Mike Caudill here in Elkhart, Indiana at the RV Industry Open House. RV makers from around the country have converged to showcase some of their newest technologies in RVs for 2023. If there's one thing we're learning about the RV industry post-pandemic is that consumers, they just wanted to get out more. So what does that mean? $140 billion economic impact. And here in Elkhart, Indiana, more than 1 million RVs have been built and sold across this country. So what are consumers looking for? Well, first, let's take a look at who the consumer is. The new median age for an RV buyer is currently at 33 years old, down from 53 years old. So they're looking for very specific things in RVs. Here's some great examples. This is the Forest River, and they're calling this the Pause. And what I like the most about this is it is a small travel trailer, and it's got a really rugged exterior. But on the inside, I always think about my wife. It's super luxurious on the inside with a farmhouse sink, a shower, all of the creature comforts that I expect and want at home. I had a chance to tour the Alliance RV manufacturing facility, and this is called the all-new Valor. I know for me, I like to take my toys on the road, whether it's my motorcycle, my mountain bikes, or even a kayak or ATV. These have garages on the rear that drop down that allow you to take your toys with you. Check this out right here. This is called New Camp, and this company is known for their very small teardrop trailers, but not this one right here. This is called the Cirrus 820. And this is a truck camper that fits in your existing truck bed. So you don't actually have to tow it, it fits right inside, and you get all the amenities that you would get in a normal travel trailer inside your truck bed with the Cirrus 820. And to close it out, guys, one of my favorite travel trailers here is called the Sonic X by Thor. Here's what makes it unique. It's got a completely rugged exterior. It's meant to go off-road, but two key features that make it a standout. It's called the Nomad Double Water Filtration System. Simply take the hose, drop it in any body of water, and what does that do? It gives you clean drinking water, and on the inside, you have this incredible lockable safe to put away all your outdoor adventure toys. That's the latest happening here in Elkhart. I'm Mike Caudill.